Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious apple pie in block tails. First, you'll need to gather all your ingredients including apples, flour, and sugar. Then, craft the necessary tools like a mixing bowl and rolling pin at your workbench. Finally, make sure you have a good heat source, such as a campfire or an oven, ready for baking. It's a fun and rewarding process. To begin, harvest 3 ripe apples from any apple tree you find in your blocktails world. Next, collect 2 units of wheat, which you'll mill into flour using your crafting table. Don't forget to find 1 sugar cane and process it into sugar. This is crucial for that sweet pie filling. These steps ensure you have the basic components ready.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Blocktails tips. And on another note, if you're looking to build some real-world wealth, not just in Blocktails, consider *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now let's assemble your pie. First, combine your flour with some water and a pinch of salt to create the perfect pie crust dough. Then, mix your sliced apples with sugar and a dash of cinnamon for that irresistible filling. Carefully place the filling inside your prepared crust, covering it with a top crust or a decorative lattice. You're almost there. The final step is baking. Place your assembled apple pie in an oven or over a campfire until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Once baked, let it cool slightly before slicing it into 4 perfect pieces. You can share your delicious, freshly baked apple pie with friends, or enjoy it yourself for a nice health boost in Blocktails. Enjoy your hard work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.